Yesterday, we saw the market rallying up in the 3D printing sector. 3D printing is starting to become a big part of future innovation, from printing houses to even printing human organs. 3D printing is the process of building three-dimensional solid objects from a larger block. The creation of a 3D printing object is achieved using an additive process. An object is created by laying down layers of material until the object is created. This allows new manufacturing methods to replace traditional ones with decreased costs, faster production, and reduced weight. 3D Systems Crop, ticker DDD, released preliminary Q4 numbers yesterday. The company's expected revenue is approximately $176 million compared to the estimates of $140 million. Operating income is expected to be double and even triple from the $5.6 million earned in Q4 last year. Why is this so great? Because analysts had been telling investors to expect less than $140 million in revenues, meaning that the company managed to outperform analysts' expectations and beat historic proportions. DDD Stock scored yesterday a 104% and closed on $22.96 from $11 at opening, along with 3D Systems Corp, Stratasys Ltd, an American-Israeli company, gained 39% yesterday. This rally was due to the blockbuster preliminary results of 3D sectors that made investors' intention to revert to 3D printing stocks. This sector was hit hard by the pandemic, and this news brought optimism back to investors. Most recently, Stratasys has closed the deal with Origin of a $100 million acquisition price. The company expects Origin software additive manufacturing offerings to add to the revenues of about $200 million within 5 years. The 3D printing sector will form the future in continuous innovation around the world. The preliminary results of 3D Systems were a sign of restoring the fate of the 3D printing industry. Our chosen 3D stocks, along with DDD and SSYS, are published daily in our WhatsApp group, so be sure to join us for free and get live updates so you will not miss the next 3D stock rally.